cells that are wrapped in cardboard and they're spot welded on the top. They're all crammed inside this pack. And then at the top where it goes into the drill, you've got two cells where one side of the cell is used as a contact.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, I'm got to be moving, haven't I? How does that look? As you can see, I'm fitting the driver's side mirror, and we're hoping he will be able to see behind him. A nice new mirror, all polished up. It's made of aluminium, and it's got a nice new glass in it, so should be good for many, many years to come.
More. Stop.
And then down here there's this lovely thing that tells you this is British broadcast.
Turn the other one round as well.
TJ Allport, head of as well. That's a good idea. Save us banging on it.
I'm now adjusting the mirror.
It works. Go on, try
It's the wrong way up.
Put the key out.
There's something.
It's even adjustable. Tension. Oh, he's satisfied.
So this is just the outline for the gold lettering later in the week.
Here we've got the front axle assembly. I'll remove the hubcap, and in front of that goes this space bar, which is a thing which retains the hubcap onto the wheel. So we've got two studs here which locate on the actual hubcap itself, and then the hubcap spinner has a thread in it and that screws into that plate, and when that's on there it just completes this so you can't see the wheel underneath.
Because they will say, oh no, that's a conspiracy theory. So the thing is, I think science went down a blind alley a long, long time ago.
Brian, you turn around. My dots. Does that one need to come down at the end there, doesn't it? That last one. It's better to use to stand back to see. That's got to come down a bit, isn't it? I think. Is that about right?
Yeah, I think so.
I might do that. That size is the gold and go the black around that.
Yeah.
One more coat to go. One more coat, maybe two.
We've got 3 bulbs for a reason. That's the biggest move up. Honest. I swore that I wasn't going to buy any more Cadbury's chocolate when it was taken over by the Yanks.
Oh yeah.
But I sort of gave up. The rest of the country's being taken over.
General Foods.
As it is, paint it, or to replace it with a
piece of that.
We won't even notice the bits of that aren't quite right. Well, this is quite complicated. Yeah.
Do your best. Then I'll fill those.
Right, I'm just outlining this in black. I did it earlier, but I decided I wanted the lines to be a little bit thicker, just to sort of. It just seems to look nicer, so I'm just increasing the size of the black. And once that's done, if there's any, just see, look, it's just trying to see any smudges and bits that need replacing and swapping, but it's quite difficult to see because I can see my reflection back, so it's hard to see black onto a dark green background, but we'll get there. So I'm just increasing the thickness of the black outline on this side, on the gold lettering here. It was a little bit thinner when I initially done it, but I think it looks better, a little bit thicker. It's a bit more robust looking, more utilitarian. There's some on there, some ugly bits that I can sort out. It doesn't all need to be covered, but these end letters are a bit scruffy looking, so we just tidy that up a bit, square it off. So I'm using the mahl stick, that's what we call mahl stick 2, just to support my hand and bring it down, and I just twist it off to the end. And use the flat end of the brush just to twist it in.
That was take 5 of them, put those bolts in it, so those then work.
Stress on that. Okay. Let's come down a little bit low now to manage it a bit better. Whoops, well, there you go.
I think we'll have to take this out of the way first.
We left that there.
And we'll take that in the same way.
Same idea.
Yeah.
Okay. So that way.
Yeah.
Dimensions, so you've got something dropping down coming up. Just clear as it, as we stay low.
like that.